Today we are at Caesar Motors Garage, which partners with Innovation Consortium. Hello once again. In this episode we are going to discuss changing the engine oil of your vehicle. We have the oil where you fill the oil. It is normally it's the engine cover that has an oil. It has an oil mark on it or an identification on it. That's where you do the oil refill, and then you have a drain plug underneath the engine. When you're changing your oil, you go underneath the vehicle for the traditional method. You unscrew the oil drain plug, you drain out the oil, then you come here, you release, you open this, so you release the pressure. That way the oil can all drain out of the vehicle. Then before you fill the vehicle, make sure you have cleaned the oil case down there. You clean it, then you screw back the drain plug, then you fill fresh oil through here, then you lock up. Caesar Motors Garage is located in Ntinda, off of Magambo Road, in Ntinda, Simbiziwome, in Nakawa, Kampala Division. At Caesar Motors Garage, we provide services for all motor vehicles. We do vehicle diagnostics, that is both physical and electronic diagnostics. We do key programming, we do panel beating and spraying, and we also do vehicle repairs and maintenance. We have a state-of-the-art spray booth where we conduct computerized color mixing. We also have state-of-the-art security system that is installed, so your cars are safe. For more information, you can reach us at the following numbers that are highlighted below. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.